Lesson 811 is just a little practice with formulas and calculating volume. Again, we're just looking at the concept of multiplying length times width times height, or base times height, to get volume. In this prism, you have a 5 by 2 by 3, so there would be 30 cubic units in that. How do you find the volume of this prism? Well, it's length times width times height. That's the formula. So you don't multiply length times width. That would just give you the area, so no. Add the length, no, you don't add to calculate cubic units. Multiply length times width and then add the height, no, you don't add the height, you have to multiply by the height. Multiply the length times the width and then multiply times the height, so D is correct on that. They're asking us to select all the formulas that we can use to determine volume. So this would not be a formula because it does not, you don't add to find volume. Length times width times height is yes. Base times height is yes, because base is the same as length times width. So that is a yes. Base plus height, no, that you don't use that. Length times width times height is yes. Length times width plus height is no. So it'd be C, E, and D. So if Raul is going to build a planter and it's 5 feet in length and 2 feet in height, but we don't know the width, in order to determine that, the width of the planter, you have to figure out, plug in the formula. 30, the cubic feet of the container, is equal to 5 times the unknown width times the height. 5 times 2 is 10. So 30 is equal to 10 times the unknown width, and it has to be 3. The width of the planter will be 3 feet. The volume is length times width times height. The volume of the planter is 30. The length is 5. The height is 2. So the width has to be 3. Again, very simple. It's length times width times height. So 2 times 6 times 8. And that would give you 12 times 8, or 96 cubic inches. Same problem as before, different numbers. You have a 6 by 4 by unknown. So the length is 6, so 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 times some number will equal 168. Or 168 divided by 24 will equal the width. And it turns out, by doing the division, you get 7 meters. Straightforward volume problem. 6 by 7 by 6 equals what? So multiplying 6 by 7 by 6, you get 42 times 6, which is the same as 252. So the volume of this rectangular prism would be 252 cubic meters. So Fred's dog crate is 38 inches long, 26 inches wide, and has a height of 36. So the volume is going to be 38 times 26 times 36. And because the numbers are so big on that, I'd just recommend that you use a calculator to solve this problem. So I just asked Alexa to help me with this one, but it's 35,568 cubic inches. And that's the end of the lesson. It was just a little bit of practice. Great work, and keep working hard.